Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Abis and you're watching Abis Tech channel now and this time and this video I'm talking about the Cardano Ada with surprise since occurred this time in the Cardano. A lot of people also message me that what's going on in this time in the Cardano, and I think that at this time the Cardano is going to the moon. Let's see the price chart. Let's see the price since occurred in the Cardano. Before starting this interesting video, before seeing the details of Cardano, please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. If we look the price of the Cardano, so the price is about to 1.75 USD dollar. On the other hand, if we look the price since occur in the Cardano, so the last 1 hour price change is only negative, but don't worry, that is only last 1 hour change, and I think that the last 1 hour change is the temporary fast. After some passage of time, with the passage of time, the fast is again become positive, friends. So don't worry, friends. If we look the last 1 day, last 1 week prices occur in the Cardano, so the both changes is and positive. That's a good news for all holders at this time. Wow, my god, congratulations, Dutch Cardano is again ready to go to the moon. As you can see here, a very massive jump occur in the Cardano, but at this time, as I told you, the last 1 hour change is negative. I hope my prediction is that after some fast, after some passage of time, they again take a jump, and the same like this jump occurs in the future of the Cardano. What's your prediction about the Cardano? Please share in the comment box. And if we look the last 1 day price change occur in the Cardano, so the last 1 day price change is about positive 2.23%. And the highest price of the Cardano is 1.82 USD dollar is the highest price of the Cardano in the last 24 hours, friends. So what's your prediction? Please share in the comment box, and kindly, friends, don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected with the Abby's Tech channel.